Does dropshipping still work in 2026? Honestly, this is one of the most common questions people ask before starting an online business, because every year someone claims that dropshipping is dead too competitive or impossible to make money with. And yet new. Dropshipping stores continue launching every day. So in this video, let's answer the question, honestly, does dropshipping still work in 2026? The short answer is yes, but not in the way many people think. First, let's talk about why people believe dropshipping no longer works. A few years ago, many sellers could launch a basic Shopify store, run a few ads, and generate sales quickly. Competition was lower, advertising was cheaper, and customers had fewer options. Today, things are very different. There are thousands of stores competing for attention, advertising costs have increased, and customers expect better service than ever before, which means the old shortcuts don't work as well anymore. Now let's talk about what actually works in 2026, because successful dropshipping stores focus on more than just products. They focus on branding, customer experience, content creation, product research, and fast fulfillment. In other words, they operate more like real businesses and less like quick side projects. Now, another major change: product selection, because finding a winning product is much harder than simply copying what everyone else is selling. Successful sellers spend time researching trends, analyzing competitors, and testing multiple products before finding one that performs well. And honestly, this is where many beginners give up too early. Now let's talk about shipping, because this used to be one of the biggest problems in dropshipping. Years ago, customers often waited several weeks for deliveries. Today, many suppliers offer significantly faster shipping, especially through platforms like CJ Dropshipping, Zendrapand Regional Fulfillment Centers, which has improved the customer experience considerably. Now another factor: content marketing, because paid ads are no longer the only way to grow. Many successful stores now use TikTok, Instagram, Reels, YouTube Shorts, and organic content to generate traffic without spending huge amounts on advertising. Sometimes a single viral video can outperform expensive ad campaigns. Now let's talk about expectations, because this is where many people get misled. Dropshipping is not a guaranteed source of easy money. It's not a system where you launch a store today and become wealthy next week. Like any business, it requires testing, learning, problem solving, and consistency. Stores fail, some products fail, and that's completely normal. Now here's something many YouTube videos don't mention. The skills you learn through dropshipping are often more valuable than the first store itself. You learn marketing, copywriting, product research, ecommerce, customer service, and advertising skills that can be applied to many other online businesses. Now let's be honest for a second. Dropshipping is neither dead nor easy. The people saying it's dead usually expect instant results, and the people saying it's easy often ignore the work happening behind the scenes. The reality is somewhere in the middle. Dropshipping still works in 2026, but it rewards people who treat it like a real business rather than a shortcut to quick money. So to wrap this up, dropshipping still works in 2026, but success depends on choosing the right products, working with reliable suppliers, creating good content, providing strong customer service, and building a real brand. Because honestly, the opportunity is still there. Difference is that today's winners are building businesses, not just copying products and hoping for the best.